Guys, nandito ako sa party ng Wiltshire. Tara, samahan nyo ako, manood tayo ng Lantern Parade. It's Christmas! Diyan lang kayo. Medyo maaga pa. Mag-start siya ng 6 PM. So, pupunta na tayo dito sa may Shamble. Tara, tingnan nyo guys. May mga pailaw na. Wow! Diba guys? Saya. Look at this guys. Napaka-festive naman dito guys. Diba? Kita nyo sila guys. Ooh.
Alright.
Mahilig sila sa mga handy dito guys. Mga gawang kamay. Yeah. Yan yung mga tol guys, oh. Yung iba dito guys, minsan may mga antique na. Yan, oh. Tignan natin hanggang dun sa dulo guys. Maganda yun dito guys. Medyo mainit. Dun sa may labas, sobrang lamig. Mga pagkain na dito guys. Sa mga painting. Tignan tayo dito guys. Ayan guys.
You're the biggest star, my dear.
Ang cute nito guys.
Don't get angry. Well, that is good to know.
For a man holding a sword, that is a great thing to know.
It's a good attitude, isn't it? Yes.
Self-defense, Carl.
Ang cute niya guys.
Actually, real toys, yes.
Are you actually real children?
Good. How are we talking?
Burgers. Kung nagugutom, may ano din. Cotton candy. Yan. Nice. It's nice, guys. Okay. Dito sa may kabila, may mga fries, guys. Kitchen fries. Dito sa isang tabi kasi may parade na. Tapos mamaya papailawan nila yung Christmas tree. Yan guys.
A few moments later.